Yes, yaram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss with you wonderful technique and the technique name is that picture visualization. Okay, so believe me friend, this technique improve your fluency. Not only improve your fluency but also it will give you the intuition, it will give you the power how to make some situation in your mind, how to create some sentences in English. So you can, if you are able to make some sentences in English, you can easily speak in English in front of the someone. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to give you a picture. So you need to see the picture very carefully and think about what is happening in this picture and what is the topic of this picture and what is going to happen. Okay, so you can easily make some situation in your mind and after that you can create some sentences in English. Once you do this, so your creating power will be increasing and you can easily make some sentences in your mind. And once you are able to make some sentences in your mind, then you can easily speak in English in front of the someone. Okay, so I'm going to give you a picture. You can see the picture very carefully. So this is a picture. Okay, and now I'm going to give you a demo how to think about the picture, how to create some sentences in English. Okay, so see the picture. This is a picture. Okay, so you can see there are 6 students sitting in a row and there is a teacher also. So I think this is a picture of a classroom. Okay, and the topic of this picture is that I think drawing competition, because there are many colors spreading everywhere and the picture seen and hand on the hand of the students. So I think this is a drawing competition picture. So now how to create some sentences in English? So I'm going to give you a demo. Okay, all the students enter in the classroom and greeting the teachers. Good morning ma'am. And the ma'am said, good morning student, how are you? I am fine ma'am, and how about you? I am fine also. So the teacher said that so students, we have a drawing competition today, so let's go out in the field. Okay, so all the students go out in the field and the teacher said that, okay, have you brought your colors and seeds? Have you brought, क्या तुम अपने colors और seeds लाए हो? All the students says, yes ma'am, I have brought. Yes ma'am, I have brought crayons color. Yes ma'am, I have brought pencils color. Ma'am, I have brought waters color. Ma'am, I forgot to bring any color. Then teacher said, don't worry, Sahil will help you. Sahil will share his color with you. Don't worry. Now, this is the time of drawing competition. So you have to make a picture. Manjeet, what you want to make? Create a picture. Ma'am, I want to create a basket, fruit basket. Okay. And Seema, what you want to create? Ma'am, I want to create monkey sitting on a branch. Okay. Okay. Now your time is start. All of you may start your drawing competition. Okay, so all the students started to make some pictures And after some time, teacher came and said, okay, it's time over. Okay, now I'm going to collect all the seats, and after the lunch break, I will declare who who is first, second, and third. So after lunch time, so the teacher said that all of you have done well, but Siva is first, Manjit is second, and John is third. So all the students clapping for the first, second, and third, and in this way, drawing competition, happened. Competition happened. Okay. So friends, this is a scenario. No, after watching one picture, you can make a scenario in your mind what is happening and what is going to happen. And in this, when once you are able to make a scenario after watching one picture, you can easily make some sentences. You can easily create some sentences in your mind. So you have to improve your thinking power. You have to improve your creativity, because language learning depend on your activity, depend on your practice. You can easily make practice, because every time you don't have every time any book, any music, any podcast. Whenever you go outside in your I think you go, sometimes you will go market, so there are many holdings, there are many picture. We can easily see different type of pictures. So think about what is going to happen, what is and read every sentences which is in English. So use this habit. So friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.